So here is how you can delete email messages in bulk on the iPhone. Let me show you exactly how it would work if it's your first time on Foxtecc. Subscribe and we can get started. So it depends on which email client you are using, but for a lot of people, I believe it's going to be the Apple Mail app. So I'm going to get inside like this, and you can browse your mailboxes, all of the emails you have received from various different addresses and different categories and so on. But let's say I'm going to get inside of the inbox, the regular stuff. And in order to select multiple of the messages in here, you can either click the select button or use the gesture, right? So in at the top, we have the select thing. You can tap on it, and now you can see I can tap on those individual things like that. And you basically can select more emails, which is fine. Like, don't get me wrong, like you can definitely do it, right? And have the ability to manage the emails, right? But even better would be to use the two-finger gesture. So as you are in here, you can just use the two-finger swipe like this, and you can see you can select much more, much quicker, right? So it is telling you how many you have selected in the top left. So I have 15 of them selected, and now we are basically interested in deleting them, right? So we have the ability to click on archive or remove those 15 messages, right? So these are the options we have. When I click on the three dots, there isn't really much available, but the point is that I want to just hold down on it and click on move, or click on a move icon right there. And the point is that I can move them, right, to some place, which is going to pull it up right here, and I need to put them into the trash folder, right? So that's how I can delete them, by putting them or moving them into the trash like this. You can see they moved in there. I can come back, go to the trash like this, and I have them in here. And now if I click on click on select all, I can confirm it with tapping the trash icon in at the bottom right, and now they are going to be fully deleted, right? So these messages will be deleted from all of your devices. So I'm going to continue like that, and now I have deleted successfully the 15 emails which I had on my phone. Right, so yeah, that's why I'm making these tutorials, because it's not really obvious that you are supposed to at first move them to the trash and then delete it, but it's just how it works. Let me know your thoughts and opinions about it below in the comments. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll talk to you later in the future uploads.